today mark a pivotal moment as we embark on a transformative journey, leveraging the unparalleled power of automation in cybersecurity operations. We delve into the innovation realm of ServiceNow platforms, Now Assist, which is crafted for autonomous security operations. It is not merely an enhancement we are discussing today. It is a profound revolution that advances our ongoing battle against cybersecurity threats to our new frontiers. So, central to this transformative era is Now Assist, which is a beacon that shines with intelligence and automation. This isn't just another piece of software, it represents a significant paradigm shift, ushering in heightened user experience, seamless automation, and productivity like never before. Let Now Assist be your steadfastly for those immersed in cybersecurity, automating the routine, enhancing decision making with cutting edge analytics, and streamlining the entire incident management process. Let's discuss about the core of Now Assist. First one is intelligent automation. So picture a world where the mundane task is effortlessly automated. Now Assist employs machine learning to transform this vision into reality, freeing up to tackle more complex challenges head on. It intelligently categorizes security incidents, assign priorities, and launching automated responses. This dramatically cut down response time and minimize the margin for human error. Second capability is advanced analytics. With Now Assist, no anomaly, unusual login attempt, or unexpected system change goes unnoticed. Every event is analyzed in real time, empowering us to react and anticipate. This is about always being one step ahead. Third capability is seamless integration. So Now Assist doesn't exist in isolation. It seamlessly melts into an existing security ecosystem. From SIM systems to endpoint protection platforms, it integrates to provide a comprehensive view of your security posture from one unified dashboard. Now further, let's discuss about how to set up Now Assist. So implementing Now Assist paves the way for significantly boosting your SOC capabilities. The journey includes deploying the platform, tailoring it through customization, training machine learning models on your unique data sets, and integrating with your prevailing security tools. With continuous monitoring and optimization, Now Assist is designed to exceed your security operational needs consistently. Further, the advantages of Now Assist are substantial and game-changing. It elevates efficiency, slashing the time dedicated to routine tasks and minimizing errors. It revolutionizes threat detection and response, ensuring swift risk management. Furthermore, it refines resource allocation, allowing your analysts to concentrate on significant matters only. Now let's discuss about the step-by-step guide of implementation of Now Assist. First step need to do is initial setup. So firstly need to select infrastructure framework, establish roles and permissions, and synchronize new Now Assist with your organization's workflow. Next comes customization workflows. So by tailoring workflows and user interface to fit seamlessly into your operations, ensuring smooth adoption and integration. Next step need to do is integration with existing systems. So need to ensure Now Assist work harmoniously with your current security systems, facilitates a fluid exchange of data and insights. Next step need to do is training and validation. So leverage your data to fine-tune and validate Now Assist machine learning models, granting accuracy and dependability. Last step need to focus on continuous optimization. So stay ahead by regularly reviewing and enhancing Now Assist functions to match the dynamic cybersecurity landscape. So further, some best practices need to follow while implementing Now Assist in the organization. First, need to focus on delineate objective for what Now Assist is to achieve with your operations. Engage all relevant stakeholders early to ensure the platform meets every need. And last but not least is the commit to ongoing training and updating to fully realize Now Assist potential. So in closing, integrating Now Assist into your SOC is more than an upgrade. It's a declaration of our commitment to remain at the cutting edge of cybersecurity innovation. By embracing the communication of autonomous and analytics, now SIS redefines our approach to threat response and fundamentally transforms our cybersecurity operations. So, together, let's move forward into this promising future. Thank you very much.